All right, here we go. All right, so again, this is how we're going to set up our page. You guys are going to, we put our name, small and accurate, right here, right against the pink line and the blue line, right? Then our date goes again. You'll see vocabulary definitions, right? And then in the margin, right? And let me show you. This little inch of your paper that's to the left of the pink line is called the margin, right?
Yes.
That's the margin. So put a number 1 right there, and you should be set. All right, now what you're going to do is you guys have Google Classroom. So, and you're going to look at vocabulary. And by the way, this is where I'm going to drop the videos. The videos will be here, 1, 2, 3. But you have a little PDF called Week 1 Definitions. And so here are the definitions. So let's look at number 1, right? It says, let's see, can I write on it? No, I can't. So number 1, typical, right? So let's go over now back to our page. It says a common happening, very normal, right? So I'm going to write typical down. A common happening, comma, very normal. Now, you'll skip a line, and I don't want you to pre-number. I want you to do one at a time, because how do you know how many lines you're going to take, right?
You don't know.
You don't. So they're very good, Dominic. All right, so then you would go on to number 2, which is listened, right? Listened. So I would go back. You guys, it'll be easier for you. So I'm going to put listened. Okay? And then you'll write the definition for listened, which is going to be and pay attention to. To hear and pay attention to. I'm going to say to hear and pay to. Right? Make sure you put a period at the end of your sentences, and then you'll do. You guys okay with that? Huh?
Yes.
I will post this video right here in Google Classroom so you can revisit how to do everything, okay? And your definitions are there. You can I want you to read your story as well. Make sure you underline all your words. So I'll give you about 15 minutes to do all this, okay? And then the rest will be for homework. All right. Tadero, out.